ClickDeal Studios is a 2.5-year-old company. We focus on producing content only for the digital space. We've got around 70 odd channels on YouTube, ranging across all genres from food to tech, the latest news. We've got Should They See Endings, as we all know. We've got Should They See Raps. We've got Should They See Gaane. We've got devotional songs also. We've got anything and everything you can think about, including fitness.
That was about Click Digital Studios. So what about Should They See? How did you come up with that Should They See tag that you are so proud of, actually?
The idea actually was to try and look at content which is not done in India. I mean, things that are done really well back there. If you look at Hollywood, I mean, they have How It Should Have Ended.
Yeah.
And it's a pretty big space. I mean, you know, that there was a gap back here in India when no one was doing this. So we thought, as an experiment, let's just try and put up a video and see how that goes. So we picked up, I think this is 2 years ago, we picked up Bhag Milkha Bhag. I think we spent around 12 nights in the office trying to just figure out how to put the whole thing together. And then we put it up, and surprisingly, we got a really good response. That's when we thought, okay, you know what, we might be doing justice to this space, and we should take it more seriously than what we did earlier.
How has animating been till now? You know?
It's a pain, actually. It's actually a really big pain because we have less time. We need to cover up a lot of things. We need to finish a lot of things. Yeah, I mean, and it's eventually it's a pain, but at the end of the day, it's fun. That's what I love doing, and yeah.
Is it difficult, you know, animating?
Yes, it is. It's very difficult because it's a very tedious task. I mean, it's like if I talk about technically, it's like when you see a frame. When you count as a second, it's 24 frames. So we are drawing 24 frames just to create 1 second.
1 second.
So when we have spoofs of like 3 to 4 minutes, so you can multiply into 60 into 24. That's the amount of frames that we are drawing.
We can't do.
So yeah, it's like a lot.
Engineering के time से we used to try to take our frustration out on things. अभी legally नहीं, but professionally करने मिल रहा है. So one day we just started with this Bhag Milkha Bhag spoof. Thought of Dal Chilka Dal.
Dal Chilka.
Yeah. So that's what we started with, and it worked. 2-3 videos worked, and then it was not really a big plan or anything. We just started, and that's how it's been rolling. Even after that, Should They See Gaane just started. It was 1.5 years, I guess, since Should They See Ending started. And I was like, I have done my course in acting and I'm a singer as well. तो मैंने इनको बोला यार 1.5 साल हो गया है, अभी कुछ ऐसा करो जहाँ पे थोड़ा दिखे हुआ, वरना मैं
obviously that is the main reason for
वरना मैं जा रहा हूँ. तो basically और कोई कुछ भी बोले उसी के वजह से, that's why Should They See Gaane.
So they starred him because he threatened them to leave. We'll take a confirmation about that from the rest of the team, because that is what he says. So, how do you own an iPhone 6? You know, you just mimic people. मतलब आवाज निकाल के कैसे कमाते हो ये सब इतना.
So your question is that मैं mimicry करता हूँ, how do I maintain myself to own an iPhone 6?
Yeah, side business क्या है?
How do you maintain your paunch, brother?
Professionally, I'm not from this field. I'm a marine engineer. I'm from Merchant Navy. So I sailed for a year and a half, 2 years. And I was writing exams for promotions. So till then, since I was in Mumbai, I needed to do something to, you know, kill time. And I was always very passionate about writing, acting and all sort of things. So I started freelancing. And I was freelancing with 2 of the companies as a writer, for Cartoon Network and Pogo. And that's when Anand and Salil found me.
Are you like that? Ki, अरे यार शीशा कहाँ है?
Yeah. I look in the mirror a lot. I do
a lot.
Yeah.
Have you looked at it recently?
अभी यहाँ आने से पहले I spent 5 minutes in the mirror. Though nothing changed, but वो obsessive compulsive हो गया है वो बालों के साथ खेलना.
Okay.
And some people mimic me like this, like I'm always playing with my hair, but nothing changes. My hair just stays like that.
How much hair do you have, and how?
I had to basically
experiment with those.
This is a sad story. I had to cut this off for the last shoot. We shot for the Mitwa parody. So वो छोटे छोटे बाल करने थे, and I'm really sad about this. I'm not liking this look, but अभी क्या कर सकते?
क्या करना पड़ता है. So, how did you start with mimicry? Class में
हाँ क्लास में एक्चुअली when I was in my school, second standard, third standard, उस टाइम पे मैं देवानंद की मिमिक्री करता था.
How did you do that?
देवानंद की मिमिक्री लाइक सेकंड स्टैंड में बैठे हुए स्टूडेंट्स लोग साथ में एंड कुछ भी अगर बाजू वाले से पूछने लगे, पेंसिल भी अगर चाहिए किसी से तो रितेश भगवान तुमसे एक पेंसिल मांग रहा है, अगर पेंसिल दो दो. This is what I did.
So you must have gotten beaten up in school.
नहीं पागल हो गए हो क्या? पपियां लेके जाती थी लड़कियां. That kind of stuff happened, man.
That's so. Is that basically why you got into mimicry? क्योंकि पपियां लेके जाती थी लड़कियां.
नहीं पपियां सिर्फ बचपन में मिलती थी. फिर उसके बाद I used to listen to a lot of Johnny Lever. उनके कैसेट्स आते थे. हंसी के नगमे. There was a cassette like what year are you born in?
96.
You don't know anything about the Mughals then. तो बेसिकली जॉनी लिवर के कैसेट्स आए थे, ऑडियो कैसेट्स, हंसी के नगमे. तो वो सुनता था, मैंने बाय हार्ट कर लिया था वो. उसमें यस्टरईयर एक्टर्स लाइक अशोक कुमार, राजकुमार, दिलीप कुमार, असित सेन,
I don't know anyone.
ओम प्रकाश. सी एग्जैक्टली.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you know some guy from Bollywood calls you up and he says यार मेरी शक्ल ऐसी क्यों बना दी तुमने?
नहीं, so far अभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. अच्छा भगवान कुछ हुआ नहीं है. But yeah.
Okay.
But then people have liked our work. I mean, Varun Dhawan has shared our
Shared
spoof,
your
like
video.
बहुत सारी चीजें हुए हैं. So it's been fun.
Any particular voices that you love, you know, performing?
ऋतिक रोशन, personal favorite.
From that कोई मिल गया.
नहीं कोई मिल गया was like बहुत लोग करते थे. Many people, not that one. वो नॉर्मल जो बात करता है ना, क्या कहना चाहते हो? I mean it's fantastic and it's amazing if एक बार तुम मेरे घर पर आओ और मेरे चाचा के साथ बैठकर हारमोनियम बजाओ. You really have fun. ये वाली आवाज.
Okay. How is life at Click Digital Studios?
Crazy, yaar. I mean, we work hard, we play harder. It's it's fun. It's really fun. I mean, दिन भर काम करो, रात भर पार्टी करो.
So you are
काम के साथ.
Actually, you are staying here the whole day.
I think it's
That's how
since
tough it
Shuddh Desi Endings has started. Like I was part of it. Like when we started off Shuddh Desi Endings, my first video was Bhag Milka Bhag. उसमें कुछ तकरीबन I think there were like 12 nights that I spent here along with Anand and another guy who was editing it. So yeah, I mean कुछ था नहीं, 3-4 लोग थे, हम लोग कर रहे हैं बैठ के दिन रात. संडे जा रहा है, मंडे जा रहा है, ट्यूसडे जा रहा है, जा रहा है. 1 week पास, 2 week पास, काम खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा है. So yeah, and now we have like a team of like 12-13 people. So it's pretty good.
How has it been working with Anand and Salil with Shuddh Desi Endings?
It's been great so far. I mean, it's really a fun thing with both of them. I mean, we started off Shuddh Desi Endings, all three of us together, and तब से till now we're still there. Like Salil अभी तो लिखता नहीं है for endings, कभी लिखता है कभी नहीं लिखता है, depends. But before मेरे और सलिल में तो बहुत क्रिएटिव डिबेट्स होते थे. लाइक यार मेरे को स्क्रिप्ट पसंद नहीं आ रहा है यार, वो कल बोलता अरे यार मैंने लिखा है, मेरे को पता है, it's going to be good. But then eventually, yeah, I mean it's really been fun. I mean all of us, like all of them, both of them are really understanding. Really understanding. They understand. We understand each other that way, really good way. And yeah, it's crazy, yaar. I mean, मजा तो आता है.
People generally want to make their hobbies their career, but sometimes you don't feel that you can take that leap. It's a risky thing to do. So these guys backed me up. Like they were like, when you know you're good at something, that's cool. But when somebody else also says, "अरे यार तू अच्छा है, तू कर सकता है." So when you get that backing, so you can, you have that faith in yourself. You can take that leap. So these guys were very adamant. They were like, "Yes, you can do it." And so they pulled me in. So that's how I joined them. 7 months back, I was about to go back on ship. So that's how I got along with them. And they were like, hey, I think you'll be able to do well in raps and endings. So I started with Shuddh Desi Raps. I used to write for them. Then I used to direct the rap videos with Bones. And now recently, for the last 4 months, I've been writing Shuddh Desi ending scripts also. It's pretty nice. Like the way we can approach our bosses, the way I talk to them, Like if you hadn't known that they are my bosses, if you saw me talking to them, you would feel that we were just chilling over drinks.
Do you want to make this a career? आगे चल के मैं शुद्ध देसी गानों से जाना चाहूँगा. लोग मेरी मिसालें देंगे type thing.
I don't know. Right now, I just want to go with the flow. See for some time. Let's see how big this becomes or does not become. There are other plans as well. Web series, this, that. So we'll see. Just
Web
take
series,
it
okay.
one
Web
thing at a
series.
time.
एक बार सेनोरिटा मेरे पास आके देखो, तुम्हें कितना अच्छा लगेगा.
So
तू इमोशनल हो रहा है, तेरे को मेरे पास नहीं आना है. You're not Kajol.
could you sing a song for us?
Okay. I will. Which one? Anything.
Anything that you want. जो सबसे अच्छा गाना लगे.
From Shuddh Desi Gana.
Yeah,
right?
obviously, man. Promotion भी तो करनी है.
Okay. So which one? I'll sing that hero wala.
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. प्रोटीन शेक मार के पहले तू मेरे जैसी बॉडी बना, क्लीशेड बॉक्सिंग शॉट्स में ओवरग्रोन बाइसेप्स और 100 पैक दिखा. एक्टिंग की टेंशन मत ले, हॉलीवुड नहीं बॉलीवुड है ये, बैटमैन जोकर से डरता यहाँ. इवन दो तेरे चेहरे से मक्खी भी नहीं हिलती, बनेगा तू जो तेरा बाप नहीं बना. Stuck it. मैं हूँ गॉडफादर तेरा, मैं हूँ गॉडफादर तेरा, वर्जिन गॉडफादर तेरा, more useful than that father तेरा.
Please like, share and subscribe Akshara Rawat. I'm sorry. Bakhlet.
Like, share, subscribe to their channel as well. Shuddh Desi Endings, Shuddh Desi Gaane and Shuddh Desi Raps. If you want to listen to more of Ketan's awesome mimicry that he has been performing for us. So thank you Ketan. Thank you for lending us your time and your voice. क्या सोच के तो बोलूँगा यार.
सोचो मत, सोचो.
सोचो.
Thank you.